Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Up English, the channel where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, Julie, and a big hello to all our amazing listeners around the world.
I am so happy to be here with you today, John. You look very fresh today.
Do I? Well, I'm feeling great. I slept really well, and I had a nice cup of coffee this morning.
Ah, coffee, the classic start. We always talk about coffee.
We do. But today, Julie, the coffee is not the story. It's just the warm-up.
Oh? So what is our story today?
Today, we have a useful and practical topic, something everyone needs every single day.
Ooh, that sounds interesting. Let me guess. Are we talking about daily conversations?
Exactly. Today, we are talking about daily conversations you must know. Phrases for coffee shops, shopping, directions, phone calls, and small talk.
That is a great topic. Our listeners use English in real life, and these conversations happen everywhere. In cafes, in stores, on the street, even on the phone.
Yes, and these simple phrases can change everything. They make you sound confident, natural, and friendly.
But John, before we jump into all these useful phrases,
Yes, Julie?
we have a small favor to ask our lovely friends listening.
Ah, yes, our famous reminder.
Please like, share, and subscribe to support Speak Up English. Your support means a lot.
Yes, now let's move to the next situation. Shopping.
Shopping, do you mean food shopping or clothes shopping?
Let's talk about clothes shopping. Everyone needs clothes.
That is true. I need a new shirt. Actually, okay, so you are in a shop. You see a shirt you like, but you need help.
Yes. Maybe I cannot find my size.
Correct. So you need to speak to the shop assistant.
I feel a little nervous when I speak to assistants. I don't want to bother them.
Don't worry, John. They are there to help you. You can start with, "Excuse me."
Excuse me.
That is a magic phrase. It is polite, and it gets their attention. Then you say, "Do you have this in a size medium?"
Do you have this in a size medium?
Okay. Or maybe size large for me.
Okay, size large. Or maybe you want a different color. Do you have this in blue?
Yes. Do you have this in is the key phrase that is easy to remember.
Do you have this in red? Do you have this in small?
Exactly. And there is another important question in a clothes shop, the price.
Yes, the price. But also, you want to wear the shirt to check the size.
Ah, I want to try it on.
Yes, so you ask, where is the fitting room?
Where is the fitting room?
The fitting room is the small room with a mirror.
Yes. Sometimes we call it a changing room, too.
Fitting room, changing room. Okay, I can remember that. Great.
Now let's talk about a conversation that happens on the street.
On the street, yes, when you are lost.
Oh no, I am always lost.
Well, then this is perfect for you.
You need to ask for directions.
Yes, I do. How do I ask a stranger?
Again, we start with the magic words, "Excuse me."
Yes, excuse me. Then you can say, where is the nearest, where is the nearest bank?
Perfect. Or, where is the nearest subway station? That is very useful.
And then they give the answer.
Yes, and the answers are usually simple phrases. Go straight.
Go straight. That means walk forward.
Yes. Or turn left and turn right.
Okay, sometimes they say it is on the corner.
Ah, on the corner where two streets meet. Exactly.
And if you are worried it is a long walk, you can ask one more question.
What is that?
Is it far?
Is it far? That is a good question. If it is far, I will take a taxi.
Good idea. So asking for directions is not so scary.
No. Excuse me, where is the nearest bank? I can say that with confidence now.
That's great. Now, John, what about talking to your friends?
I love talking to my friends.
Me too. But we need to make plans. We need to invite them to do things.
Yes, like going to the movies.
Yes. So, how do you ask a friend to go to the movies?
You go to movie with me? That works.
That works, but a very natural way is, do you want to see a movie?
Do you want to see a movie?
Yes. Or, if you want to be a little more polite, would you like to see a movie?
Would you like to? It's like ordering coffee. I would like. Would is a very polite word in English.
Okay. Would you like to have dinner? Would you like to go to the park?
Excellent examples, Julie. And how do you answer if a friend asks you?
If I want to go, I say yes.
Yes, you can say that sounds great.
That sounds great. I like that. It shows I am happy.
But what if you are busy? What if you cannot go?
Then I have to say no, but no feels rude.
You're right. Just saying no can be a little hard. So we say, I'm sorry, I can't.
I'm sorry, I can't. That is better. And usually we give a small reason. I'm sorry, I can't. I have to work.
I'm sorry, I can't. I am tired. That is a very honest reason.
It is. So, making plans is about would you like to? And responses like, that sounds great, or I'm sorry, I can't.
Exactly. Simple and polite.
John, I have another situation, a very common one.
Tell me.
Making a phone call, like to a doctor or a dentist.
Oh, yes, appointments that can be tricky. I get nervous on the phone. I cannot see the person's face.
That is true. Talking on the phone is harder than face-to-face, but we have a phrase for this.
Please tell me.
When you call, you say, "Hello, I would like to make an appointment." I would like to make an appointment. There's would like again. It is everywhere. It is the best phrase for daily life.
So, I would like to make an appointment with Dr. Paul.
Perfect. And they will ask you when, and you can say a day, on Tuesday.
Yes. Or you can ask, do you have any openings on Tuesday?
Openings, that means free time. Do you have any openings? Or is there any free time on Tuesday?
Okay, and if I just want to know the time the shop opens?
Ah, good question. You can call and ask, what are your opening hours?
What are your opening hours?
Yes. Or simply, what time do you close?
What time do you close? Very practical. I need to know this so I can buy my cookies before the shop closes.
Always thinking about cookies, Julie. John, always.
Okay, let's do one more. This is a conversation for small talk.
Small talk. This means chatting about small things.
Yes, like when you see a neighbor in the elevator or a colleague at the water cooler.
Yes, sometimes I see my neighbor, Mrs. Higgins, and I don't know what to say. I just smile.
Smiling is good, but you can also say, how are you doing?
How are you doing? It is like, how are you, just a little more casual.
How are you doing? And what is a good answer?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm good, thanks. And you? Simple.
Yes. And a very popular topic for small talk is the weekend.
Oh, yes. Everyone loves the weekend. So, on Monday, you can ask, how was your weekend?
How was your weekend? That is a very friendly question. It shows you are interested.
And if someone asks me, you can say, it was great, or it was relaxing.
It was relaxing. I like relaxing weekends.
And if you did something special, you can say, I went to the park, or I saw a movie.
And then ask, how about you?
Yes, always ask back. It keeps the conversation going.
How about you?
This is the ping pong of conversation. I ask, you answer, you ask, I answer.
That is a perfect way to describe it. Conversation is like ping pong. I like ping pong.
So, John, we talked about a lot of situations today. We did ordering coffee, shopping for clothes, asking directions, making plans, phone calls, and small talk.
That is a lot of English. It is, but these are all phrases I can use tomorrow.
That is good to hear. Confidence is more important than perfection.
Exactly. But if you practice these polite phrases, you will feel even more confident.
I agree. I am going to practice. Where is the fitting room? I really need that new shirt.
Good luck with your shopping, Julie.
Thank you, John.